Hello everyone, today is an exciting day and we have got an exciting student today who was very successful at his recent PT exam. This was his very first attempt and he was able to crack his PT requirement with the very first attempt. This is Aditya. Hello Aditya.
Fine.
How do you feel about your results?
Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with the results and I really appreciate the effort you put in putting me through, teaching me there are a lot of things you taught me about the templates, about how to answer the questions. There's difference in between knowing what to do and there's a way you taught in how to answer the questions. I really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you Aditya. And Aditya was aiming for a very low score, which is like 50s, 40s, but I ended up with 89 for listening, 64 for reading, 75 for speaking, and 78, a very high score for writing as well. I'm really proud of you. Then can you a little bit elaborate about how the portal and the EnglishWise materials helped you in this journey?
Yeah, it has been helpful, I must say. The EnglishWise portal was helpful. It allows you to assess yourself. There's opportunity for time-to-time tests, and there's even a platform whereby you can take your mock test. Your coach, your trainer will assess you. Wherever you are, you have access to it. You do time-to-time practice, and I can say the major thing that has been able to help is listening to the coach and going for practice every now and then, mock test. And there's also on the portal, there's a segment whereby the section you notice you are not doing very well, you can focus on that particular section to improve yourself. And there's a feedback from your coach, which is Shanika in my own case. She did very well, giving me feedback. Even though I'm not there with her in the office, she will call me. We have group session where she talks to every one of us individually about the aspect you need to improve, and that has helped me, gave me a very good confidence and boost in my exam, and I really thank God for the results.
Thank you, Aditya, and I really appreciate your commitment as well. Every student who come to EnglishWise, they need to have their own commitment as well.
Yeah.
And this is a big achievement. You could crack it from the very first attempt. I'm really happy about that.
Thank you.
And what else you have to say to the learners who are willing to join with us?
Yeah, I will advise that when you come to EnglishWise, you are in good hands and they will take you through all and everything you need to learn. And there are tips they will give to you, not in terms of the knowledge aspect, and there's other technique in which can help you in passing your exams. There are little details that matters. They will help you boost your confidence so that you will not be be losing your morale during the exam. And there are other aspects whereby you have a personal coach in Shanika. She will take you through all those things you need to learn. And as long as you can be committed, the sky is the beginning. And I can assure you, you will have a good result, even more than your targets. The way I got mine, I was expecting to get like 50s, 40s, and I ended up having 79 overall. And I really appreciate the effort. And the facilities here are also good. You have, like I said earlier, you have access to the portal. On your own free time, you can practice. And when you come in here to their office here in Canberra, you can be take through the process by Shanika herself. And it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful.
Thank you, Aditya.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll meet you in another day. Come and have a visit to Canberra branch.
Yeah.
And we are warmly welcome you, and we will miss you a lot in our class.
Thank you. I can say you're free to come to EnglishWise. They will take you through every process and you're good to go as long as you can be committed and listen to what the coach is teaching you. And you do very well. You beat your own personal targets when you come here. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.